Now I just uploaded a video a couple days ago with this cup. This is a rhinestone cup. Took a long time to make and it turned out, I think, just beautiful. But I want to wash it before I send it out. So I'm just going to remove the lid. I've already heated my water up. I just didn't want it running when I started the video. Then what I like to do is go ahead and get it wet. Then I go ahead and I put a liberal amount of dish soap on it. Then to clean it, I'm going to get my little old toothbrush wet and I'm just going to scrub. Now, you don't want to use a really greasy brush. If your brush is greasy, you want to wash it first. You just don't want to introduce a lot of oils or grease or anything like that down in between the rhinestones. And you see how soapy it's getting? That's exactly what I want. Like I said, I used a generous amount of dish soap on it. So I just make sure that I've scrubbed the whole cup, and I have. Then I'm just going to rinse this off. Now I do go ahead and wash the inside as well, but I'm not really going to take the time to show you that. The other thing is, I'm going to send instructions with this cup not to put it in the dishwasher and not to let it soak in water. So after I've washed it, I have a dry dish rag, and I'm just going to get as much of the water out of this as I can. There's a lot of cracks and crevices in there, so to speed up the drying process, I'm just going to remove as much as I can. Then after that, all I'm going to do is I'm going to set it upside down on a towel. I'm going to let it dry overnight and it'll be ready to go out tomorrow.